Hello friends, my name is Josna Sorode. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management. Today my topic is working capital management for the subject financial management. Working capital. A firm may exist without making profit but cannot survive without liquidity. The function of working capital management is an organization is a similar that of the heart in a human body. Also, it is an important functions of financial management. The financial manager must determine the satisfactory level of working capital funds and also the optimum mix of a current asset and current liability. He must ensure that the appropriate source of a fund are used to finance working capital and should also see the short term obligations of the business are met well in time. Working capital is the excess of a current asset over current liability. This is the definition of a working capital. Working capital is the excess of current asset over current liability. Concept of working capital management. According to quantitative concept, the amount of working capital refers to total of current asset. Current assets are considered to be gross capital. In this concept, the qualitative concept gives an idea regarding source of financing capital. According to qualitative concept, the amount of working capital refers to excess of current asset over current liability. Types of working capital. First is on the basis of periodicity. This first types is a permanent working capital. This is regular working capital, reserve margin working capital. This part on the basis of periodicity. Part B is a variable working capital. These two types, seasonal variable working capital, special variable working capital, and second types is a working capital is on the basis of concept. This is two types: gross working capital, net working capital. Factors determining working capital. First is the nature of companies, demand of creditor, cash requirement, nature and size of business, time, volume of sales, terms of purchases and sale, business cycle, production cycle, liquidity and profitability, seasonal fluctuations. This is a details of a working capital, capital and liabilities, and the second side is assets. Capital and liability, equity, reserves, long term liability. Asset side is a fixed asset, tangible, intangible, two types of assets, and long term investment. Current liability is a creditor, bills payable, outstanding expenses, bank overdraft, short term liabilities, provision for taxes. And current assets is a debtor, bills receivable, prepaid expenses, cash in hand and at bank, short term marketable security, inventories, accrued incomes. This is all current liability and current assets. Classification of working capital. Classification of working capital. First size is a conceptual, and second is on the basis of time. Conceptual is a two types: gross working capital, net working capital. On the basis of time is a permanent at fixed working capital, seasonal or special working capital. Concept and component of working capital. First is a gross working capital, second is a net working capital. Net working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. Deficient working capital, excess of current liability over current asset is a deficient working capital. Thank you.